This is a project which is just a great example of working in a location that really can use proper tree care. They'd had a number of large failures, branches, entire trees actually falling over. And so what we're trying to do is remove the dangerous trees and then prune the remaining trees in a way that will keep them healthy and safe for years to come. Working safely with trees, that's what we do on a daily basis. This particular setting is really interesting because it is very sensitive to any kind of impact, and so we have to be extremely careful and cautious working around the headstones and in the old landscaping. And so our goal is to preserve the property just as it was, minus the unhealthy tree. Anytime we can, we'd love to be able to take larger pieces because we can do the tree pruning or removal more efficiently that way. But in this situation, we're working up high. We really want to minimize our impact, and so we have to really start with smaller pieces and work our way all the way down to the ground. These elms were over 100 years old, and so they really go back to kind of a different time in Seattle. And it's great to look out on the city when we were working today and just really take in the sights of Seattle and all the change that's happened within 100 years. And thinking about the people that have come before us, it was a project that we really wanted to respect the property, a big part of it. We got the entire tree safely down, as well as pruning the 4 remaining elm trees, which they just look great. Got the stump ground out, we've hauled away the stump grindings, all the wood. Local craftsmen will be milling this wood up into tables and turning beautiful wood bowls. So as sad as it is to see a tree come out, it's great that we can get it repurposed. Care about people and their trees working together. We always say, healthy trees make for happy people, and that's something we really care about at Seattle Tree Care.